until and unless it is confirmed that the universities are settled, teaching is going on, and all the schools are functioning. This is in addition to the sorry state that we have watched with the doctors. We also want to add our voice as a labor center. The issue of the doctors has been mishandled, with the negotiators from the side of government changing from time to time. Mara is a council of governors. It is a national government. It is a political process. It is some other NGOs, volunteers. The law is very clear. There must be negotiation between the employer and employee, and agreed without any duress. Lining up leaders for contempt of court, we have seen it. The doctors being jailed. How do you jail a doctor? A doctor, medical doctor being jailed. That means they can even jail professors. And what it means is that this is a country and we are building a culture in a society where professionals are not respected. That we are seeing, right from doctors, our researchers in the universities, and even teachers and all other workers. A society that progresses, respects its professionals, and takes care of their professionals. We are not begging for respect. We ought to be, for the society to be what it is. And so it's our desire as a labor center that this unrest that we are seeing in this country can be resolved, where there is the correct spirit. They can be. And the leaders of all these movements are willing to negotiate and willing to sign collective bargaining agreements. Now we have identified one devil. One devil. There is only one devil to the labor movement in this country. There is only one devil to the labor relations. One. Only one devil. And it is in the Constitution. The Salaries and Remuneration Commission. It has to be eventually be done away with. Salaries and Remuneration Commission has messed up the negotiations. The same Salaries and Remuneration Commission cannot stop the same Salaries and Remuneration Commission. If you read Section 230 of the Constitution, the function, and the only one, is to determine salaries and remuneration for state officers. State officers. These workers are not state officers. They could only advise for the rest.